Welcome to BT Farms channel again. Today we are here in yet another beautiful location. Today we have Sudhakar ji with us. He is the sole reason for our Kalimpong OGG group that we are forming. He's going to lead the Organic Growers Group Society, and he has brought over 500 plus farmers with us to form a cooperation with BT Farm. So thank you for giving us your time today.
Thank you so much.
अगर आपके बारे में थोड़ा आप इंट्रोडक्शन पहले दे देंगे फॉर द व्यूअर्स.
Okay. Namaste everyone. My name is Sudhakar Lama and I am the president of Kalimpong Organic Growers Welfare Association, and I've been working as an agriculture expert since 2013 here in Kalimpong district, and now also I've been working in many projects. So now we have just formed our Kalimpong Organic Growers Welfare Association with 500 plus farmers. So this is how we have started.
That's great. So can you just explain to the viewers what kind of vision we are thinking with Kalimpong Organic Growers Society?
ये विजन के बारे में अगर हम लोग सोचेंगे तो क्या हुआ कि it's been 12 years since I've been working with the farmers in Kalimpong district in many villages. More than 100 villages I've been working with the farmers. तो वहाँ पर क्या प्रॉब्लम है कि जो ये फार्मर्स है, they are by fault or default they are cultivating organically, as you have seen it also in previous locations. So they are using farmyard manure as cow dung in their fields. But यहाँ पर क्या है कि जो soil fertility होना चाहिए soil में, for soil fertility they are only using cow dung, none other than that. So हम लोगों का फर्स्ट फोकस शुड बी जो ये कालिम्पोंग ऑर्गेनिक ग्रोवर्स वेलफेयर एसोसिएशन जो फॉर्म किया है इन पार्टनरशिप विद बीटी फार्म्स, हमारा ऑब्जेक्टिव होगा कि यहाँ पर जो सोइल फर्टिलिटी लाना चाहिए हम लोगों को फॉर मोर प्रोडक्टिविटी और मोर प्रोडक्शन फ्यूचर में. तो इसके लिए हम लोग फर्स्ट हमारा ऑब्जेक्टिव विल बी सॉइल टेस्टिंग. सभी फार्मर्स का सॉइल टेस्टिंग करके जितना भी डेफिशिएंसी है, जैसे यहाँ पर हम लोग देखेंगे तो ऑर्गेनिक कार्बन बहुत ही कम है, लाइक 0.2% to 0.34%, बट वी हैव टू ब्रिंग दैट ऑर्गेनिक कार्बन इनटू 1 or 1.5%. सो दिस इज आवर विजन फर्स्ट. सेकेंडली हम लोगों का क्या है कि as you have seen, Kalimpong is rich in agrobiodiversity, but we have major cash crops in Kalimpong. As you have seen in the previous interview also, they are cultivating paddy also. They are cultivating millet also. They are cultivating bajra also. They are cultivating apple also. So it has a huge potential in Kalimpong. But the Kalimpong Organic Growers Welfare Association will be focusing on major 3 crops. That is larch cardamom, turmeric and ginger. These are the major cash crops of this area. But farmers are being deprived in every time. What happens is, first problem is planting material. The planting material they are using is not good. As last year, I've been through one report of this turmeric. So we there was only 3 to 4% curcumin percent in turmeric.
Okay.
So we can bring good planting materials like lakadong in Kalimpong for better productivity as well as better quality.
Right.
So in partnership with BT Farms, what our aim is to bring this planting material here, to adopt this planting material here, and to give them good agriculture practices and productivity as well as productivity, and give them a value addition which is lacking here. Okay, so this is the second one. And third one is ginger also. If you see it here, ginger they have been deprived since many years. What happens is in ginger, farmers are deprived with bacterial wilt and root rot, mainly these two diseases. So what happens is main thing is planting material. So we use varieties like Gurbathani. Yeah? So Gurbathani is a good variety but it's a disease non-disease resistant variety. So हम लोग क्या करना चाहते हैं कि यहाँ पर एक जितना भी ये रीजनल रिसर्च स्टेशन, कृषि विज्ञान केंद्र, उन लोगों के साथ टाई अप होके जो रिसर्च करके उन लोगों ने जो प्लांटिंग मटेरियल अडॉप्ट किया है, वो प्लांटिंग मटेरियल हम लोग अडॉप्ट करके यहाँ पर एडाप्शन करना पड़ेगा। एडाप्शन करके गुड एग्रीकल्चर प्रैक्टिसेस यहाँ पर इम्प्लीमेंट करके फ्यूचर में हम लोग उसका भी प्रोडक्टिविटी बढ़ाएंगे और उसका भी हम लोग प्रोसेसिंग यूनिट डेफिनेटली करेंगे। एंड एट लास्ट लार्ज कार्डामम का जो हम लोग देख सकते हैं, लार्ज कार्डामम में वी आर ग्रोइंग इट, वी आर प्रोड्यूसिंग इट ऑल्सो, पर मेन प्रॉब्लम क्या है कि दे आर जो पोस्ट हार्वेस्ट मैनेजमेंट है, पोस्ट हार्वेस्ट मैनेजमेंट में दे आर ड्राइंग इन अ भट्टी विच इज नॉट एट गुड। इसमें मॉइस्चर कंटेंट भी कम हो जाएगा प्रोडक्ट का, एज वेल एज मार्केट में इसका वैल्यू नहीं है क्योंकि इसका कलर एकदम डार्क आता है। So we have to adopt new scientific method of drying it. So BT Farm, in collaboration with BT Farm, my objective is to give them a good quality of product so that we can get a good market in India as well as outside. So our main objective is this, as well as those farmers who are in connection with me, 500 plus farmers, we have to do certification, organic certification through NPOP. So हमारा ऑब्जेक्टिव यही है।
ग्रेट। सो ओके, तो दिस इज ग्रेट। लाइक जब सर्टिफिकेशन हो जाएगा तब इनकम जनरेशन भी बढ़ जाएगा, एज आपने बोला कि वैल्यू एडिशन कर सकते हैं, प्रोसेसिंग कर सकते हैं, बिकॉज एज यू मेंशन द पोटेंशियल इज एंडलेस। इट्स Kalimpong soil is so diverse, it can accept almost any kind of crop you throw at it. We just have to really अच्छे से केयर करना पड़ता है, अच्छा एग्री इनपुट्स देना पड़ता है। So yes, as part of BT Farm, that is our envision as well, ki grow with Kalimpong. Like as we grow, we want to bring Kalimpong with us, because look at it, it's such a beautiful place. I mean, you want the people to do better and the farmers to do better. अगर farmers नहीं रहेंगे तो हम कहाँ जाएंगे? Like कैसे खाना मिलेगा, कैसे कुछ होगा? That's great. And we are so grateful to have you as a part of the team.
Thank you so much.
You have been legitimately the driving force behind Kalimpong Organic Growers Society, and you have been bringing 500 plus farmers. He has motivated over 500 plus farmers to join their collaboration with us to farm with us and get organic certification. Okay, thank you हमको time देने के लिए. I feel like this video was jam-packed with a lot of information, and stay tuned for more such videos. We try to post on every Friday with something educational, motivational, and yes, we are gonna be back again next week with another video. Do check out our channel if you like this content. Like this video, subscribe, and comment if you have any questions. We'll try to get back to you. And also visit our website www.btfarm.com. We have 5 locations across Kalimpong, Bakura. If you want to visit any of our farms, just contact us through our website and we'll get in touch with you. Thank you again. Stay tuned for the next video.